Handbook on Digital Business Ecosystems provides a comprehensive overview of current research and industrial applications, as well as suggestions for future developments. Dr. Giovanna Culot contributed the chapter Digital Ecosystems in Manufacturing, Emerging Models for Industry 4.0.
A new industrial revolution, described by the term Industry 4.0, has been unfolding for a few years now. Next to the base technologies, a study by Frank et al. Shows different front-end technologies and capitalizes a model defining 4 main areas relevant for manufacturing. Smart factory for improving internal operations activities. Smart working to provide digital support to factory and maintenance operators. Smart supply chain based on customer-supplier systems, integration and collaborative platforms, and smart products, as connected products can be monitored remotely and deliver advanced digital services to the customer. Through a Delphi-based scenario analysis, it was investigated how manufacturing value chains evolve in the context of Industry 4.0. In terms of the impact on products and production processes, confirmed trends refer to AMTs rapidly overcoming the current limitations in terms of applicability and cost-effectiveness in large-scale manufacturing operations. Sustainability is also expected to gain relevance, and results confirm academic investigations suggesting an intimate relationship between Industry 4.0 and a circular economy practices. New materials are projected to be utilized in this logic against the prospect of natural resources becoming increasingly scarce at a global level. Overall, it seems likely that the scope of new flexible production technologies like AMTs or flexible robotics attracting significant interest. Inter-organizational data sharing has been related to improvements, and both will differ significantly across manufacturing industries. A highly fragmented demand requires internal operations and supply chain configuration to be reshaped in order to pursue higher flexibility and adaptability, speeding up production without compromising on cost and quality. As production margins decrease further, manufacturers might focus on higher value activities such as research and development, design, and customer management. The lack of flexible production technologies triggers specialization. Focal companies can easily outsource due to high system integration. Suppliers provide visibility on their capacity and the progress of work. Focal companies share demand-related information and optimize the allocation of production depending on time and geography. Specialization enables suppliers to maintain a relatively high bargaining power and capture some of the extra profit related to customization. The aim of the initiative is to enable data sharing and collaboration across teams and organizations. Overall, even though the open manufacturing platform has only begun to work in this direction, its vision seems consistent with the dynamics presented in the end-to-end value chain transparency scenario. All in all, the implementation of Industry 4.0 influences many processes in the course of a production and management and in the entire value chain.